Hey everyone, Tom Aronson. I just want to do a quick video on what you guys are seeing come across your news feed, and it has a lot to do with the fact that a lot of insureds don't have an idea of what their policies contain, who to talk to. Sometimes you have maybe not the best agent in the world, maybe you have a great agent, you just don't understand a couple of pieces of the policy. So I'm here to help. All my videos are somewhere between 1 minute, 1 minute and 30 seconds, and they're very straight to the point, super direct. And my hope is that I can just share a bunch of information with you related to trucking insurance and how it kind of affects your company. I hope you find some value in it. Um, if you have any questions, please text us at 888-547-1330. That's 888-547-1330. Or email us at info@aronsongroup.net.